Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you will be fine and studying at home. This is lecture 14, subject English, class 5. The book is Grammar and Usage and the topic is singular and plural nouns. Before starting the lecture, students, I advise you to take out your grammar book, notebook and stationery items. I also advise you be attentive during lecture. Dear students, this is your grammar book, Grammar and Usage. Take out it. The contents of this lecture are following. First of all, we will discuss singular and plural nouns. Next, some rules to make plural nouns that are given in your book will be discussed. In the end, we will do exercise 4 of grammar and usage. Dear students, I hope all of you know about singular and plural nouns. You are doing singular and plural nouns from class 1. Now, we will have just a brief review of singular and plural nouns. A singular noun refers to one place, person, animal or a thing. Singular means single, that is only one. For example, one boy, one goose, a book, a city, a town, a park, etc. A plural noun refers to two or more people, places, animals or things. Plural means two or more than two. For example, two boys, many cities, a lot of books, 3 geese and many boxes. Dear students, now we will discuss some ways to make plural nouns. They are given in your book on page 14 and 15. Some ways to make plural nouns. Plural nouns are formed in the following ways. The first way is by adding s to singular nouns. This is the most common and the most simple way to make plural nouns. For example, door, doors, cat, cats, chair, chairs, girl, girls, etc. We simply add s to the singular nouns. The second way to make plural nouns is that by adding es to singular nouns that end in s, ch, sh, o or x. For example, box, boxes, watch, watches, brush, brushes, mango, mangoes, class, classes. You can see in these words they end with X, CH, SH, O and S. So when we make their plural, we add ES. Dear students, listen third and fourth way of making plural nouns very carefully. The third way to make plural nouns is by changing Y to IES for singular nouns which end in Y. It means the singular nouns that end in Y, only Y. We will remove Y and add IES in place of Y. For example, baby, babies, city, cities, party, parties. These singular nouns end in Y. When we have made their plural, we have removed Y and added IES in place of Y. The fourth way to make plural nouns is by adding S to those singular nouns that end in with a vowel and a Y. For example, boy, boys, valley, valleys, monkey, monkeys. Look at these singular nouns, students. They end with a vowel and Y. So when we will make their plural, we will only add S next to Y. We will not remove Y. So dear students, remember this point. If a singular noun ends with Y only, so when we will make plural, we will remove Y and add IES, as we have discussed in rule number 3. If a singular noun ends with a vowel and Y, so when we will make its plural, we will only add S, as we have discussed in rule number 4. So remember these 2 points. The fifth way to make plural nouns is by changing F or FE to VES of singular nouns that end in F or FE. We will remove F or FE and add in place of F or FE VES. For example, thief, thieves, knife, knives, half, halves. So look at these examples. We have removed F or FE and added VES in place of F or FE when we have made their plural. Next is by adding S to some certain singular nouns that end in O. Mostly we add ES to singular nouns, as we have discussed in rule number 2, that end in O. We have discussed that the words that end in O, when we make their plural, we add ES. But there are some certain singular nouns. They are very specific singular nouns. When we make their plural, we add only S. We do not add ES, we only add S. These some nouns are piano, pianos, radio, radios, etc. The next way to make plural nouns is that we add some words or change some words of singular nouns. For example, child, children, we have added words over there. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth, In these words, we have changed some words in the singular noun when we have made their plural. The next point is that some nouns are always used in plural form. They do not have any singular form. For example, trousers, trousers, scissors, scissors, spectacles, spectacles, etc. The last way to make singular nouns is that some singular nouns have no plural form. They are always used in singular form. For example, sheep, sheep, deer, deer. These are the nouns that have only singular form. They do not have plural form. Dear students, I hope this lecture will help you a lot in understanding of the ways of making plural nouns. I suggest and advise you to read them again and try to remember them. Dear students, now we will do exercise 4 of grammar and usage. In this exercise, the question is complete the columns below. 2 columns are given. One is singular noun and the other is plural noun. First word is radio. Singular noun is given. Its plural form is radios. Only S will be added over there. As we have discussed that there are some certain singular nouns that end in O, but when we make their plural, we add only S. So, radio is one of them. Next word, plural noun is given deer. Its singular noun is also deer. Dear students, we have discussed there are some singular nouns that are always in singular form. They do not have any plural form. So, deer, its singular and plural is the same. Number 3 is father-in-law. Its plural is fathers-in-law. Number 4, plural form is given spectators. Its singular form is spectator. Number 5, watch. Singular noun is given. Its plural noun is watches. Dear students, we have read it. The singular nouns that end in CH, when we will make their plural, we add ES. So, watch, watches. ES will be added when we will make its plural. Next is plural form is given leaves. Its singular is leaf, leaf. Next, singular noun is given tooth. Its plural is teeth. Number 8 is plural form is given children. The singular of children is child. Number 9, singular noun is given class. Its plural is classes. The last word is plural form is given trousers. Its singular is also trousers. We have read some singular nouns are always used in plural form. They do not have any singular form. So trousers is one of them. Dear students, do this exercise on your grammar books and also on your notebooks. Keep on studying at home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.